find the distance between 2 points, you'll be using the distance formula. So let's put a couple of points on our grid. The first one will be 2, 3, which we'll call point R. And the second point we'll put at 4, -1, and we'll call that S. So finding the distance between these 2 points is the same thing as finding the length of the segment that connects these 2 points. Distance formula for this case will be RS, which is the distance between those 2 points, is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. People always get confused, well, which one's x sub 1, which one's y sub 1? Doesn't really matter which one's sub 1 and sub 2, as long as you keep it consistent. So right now we'll call point R as the sub 1s, so that'll be x sub 1, y sub 1, and our other point of S we'll call x sub 2, y sub 2. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and substitute those numbers in there. So the distance between points R and S is the square root of x sub 2, which is 4, minus x sub 1, which is 2, squared, plus y sub 2, which is -1, minus 3 squared. Simplify inside of my square root signs and my parentheses first. So 4 minus 2 will give me 2 squared. -1 minus 3 will get me -4 squared. Simplify further by squaring. 2 squared will give me 4. -4 squared will give me 16, which means segment RS is going to be square root of 20, which means it will simplify down to 2 square root of 5.